Oh, for the love of hats. I have been adoring hats for decades, and I just can't resist them. I have approximately 100 Fascinator hats, and I have them made to match outfits, plus I make many hats myself. And what do I do with all these beautiful hats? Well, I wear a lovely hat almost every single day. So, step up, dress up, and look your very best each and every day in whatever you consider to be your best look. Many women decide to have shoes as their signature item. However, I'd like people to look at me in my face and see the intensity of smile and happiness that I radiate. So I've chosen hats over shoes every single time. Enjoy the view of these spectacular hats.